glue all of these items, and I'm going to show you the end product when I'm done. And as you can see, this is really bright colors. There's months over there, seasons, weather, year. So I don't know if we get past year 2025, we're probably gonna have to like change the numbers. But the activities, so for the activities, you could like put in these items for the activities, and then there's like emotions here. You can put these arrows for the emotions, if I feel happy or sad. So the temperature, so there's an arrow for temperature over here. You can put that here, and then these crocodiles, these are for the fate, like Friday, Sunday. And then I think that's about it. I'll show you later. Oh, this is for the dates. This crocodiles for the dates. And I'll show you when I have removed everything and I have placed all the dots on them. So that's it. So for now, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Here's a little hack so it would stick better. Cut this glue dots in half, and if you're attaching it to a shoe, then you don't have to use 2 sticky dots on it. You can use 1 and 1, so you can use the other sticky dots for the other items. So I'm going to stick it now. So this is the outfit. I got these little glasses. You can put them on the bear's face. For the weather, we got this, like for now it's summer, so you can put something like that. As you can see, this little kind of crocodile looking yellow thing, you can use it for the months. So I have taped half of the dots in the back, and you can attach it right over here. So right now is July, so oops, July, so that would be here. I just finished putting all the activities and sticking all the felt sticker things. So as you can see, my girls are loving it. You can dress up your little bear according to the weather.
It could be freezing.
Well, it's not freezing right now, it's summer. And then there's the 2023. Naomi, move this to 2023 and then put it in July. Don't lose the outfits, guys. See, there's a bunch of activities in the bottom. So you can put like a morning activity. What are you gonna do? Cook. So you can put cooking in the morning.
Sport.
So that is all for today. I hope you like this video. Watch out for our next unboxing video from a Temu purchase.
Bye bye.
So today I'm going to show you this Temu purchase that I made. It's my daily calendar for your little toddlers. So it's a homeschool item that I got that would make like mornings and starting of the day interesting. So it comes with this little felt little outfits that you can dress your like bear for the weather. Like if it's hot, you can dress him with like cooler stuff, and then there's warmer outfits. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove that outfit, and we're gonna put this thing that came with it. It's like a dot glue, a sticky dot with like a thing in it, and it sticks at the back, and now you can put a dress on the bear. That's kind of cool. And there's another item that you can use for the boots. So you can put like the sticky glue in the boots, and then the other boots. So that would be dressing up our little bear. So as you can see, I have like 2 sticky dots in here, and you can put like shoes on the bear, which is pretty cool. There you go. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what came with. There's like hats and some weather arrows. There's also some things that they can do outside sport, family day, cleaning, and then there is some things that you can like focus on the dates. And you can see there's 2 of these. There are activities that they can do. And there's more outfits for rainy day, for summer. So we're gonna show how to put it here.